Hello, heroes and sheroes of the highway. Being a truck driver isn't exactly a walk in the park. It's long hours, tight deadlines, and a whole lot of asphalt. Well, buckle up because today we're setting the record straight. We're going to tackle 14 of the most common myths about truck drivers head-on, separating fact from fiction. So, grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and get ready to see the world of trucking in a whole new light. Watch till the end for a bonus myth. It will surprise you.
You ever hear folks say, nobody cares about truck drivers? Let me tell you, that couldn't be further from the truth. Most folks know they wouldn't eat, shop, or drive without us. Think about it. Everything you buy, everything you use, it got to you on a truck. We're the backbone of the economy, the unsung heroes of the highway. So next time you see a truck, remember there's a hard-working man or woman behind the wheel who's keeping America moving.
Now this one's just outdated. Think all truckers are burly dudes with beards? Think again. The trucking industry's changing, and women are a big part of that. Over 200,000 women are out here proving that confidence and skill don't have a gender. These ladies are handling big rigs, navigating tough routes, and shattering stereotypes every mile they drive. And ladies, keep on truckin'.
Sure, you can become a truck driver if you pass your CDL test first. It's not for the faint of heart, but with training and hard work, it's doable. You need a clean driving record, a head for logistics, and the patience of a saint. It's a demanding job, no doubt, but for those who crave freedom and adventure, it's a pretty sweet gig.
Myth number 4. Truckers never shower. Okay, this one's just plain wrong. Showers are everywhere for truckers. And yes, we use them. No one wants to smell like diesel all day. Most truck stops have showers, and many drivers carry their own hygiene essentials. We like to be clean and presentable, just like anyone else.
Myth number 5. Truckers are irresponsible drivers. This one really grinds my gears. Truckers are extensively trained. We handle the road with care because safety isn't just a priority, it's the job. We rack up more miles in a day than most do in a week. So next time you see a trucker driving defensively, it's not because they're scared, it's because they're professional.
Myth number 6. Truckers only care about speed. Not true. Truckers are known as good Samaritans. With good trip planning, there's no need to rush. We even stop to lend a hand when needed. We understand the importance of looking out for each other, and we're always willing to go the extra mile to help someone in need.
Myth number 7. Truckers cause accidents. Actually, truckers are 3 times less likely to cause an accident. Most wrecks happen when cars drive in our blind spots or slam on the brakes. We're driving massive vehicles, and it takes time and distance to stop. So please give us space on the road and be aware of our blind spots.
Myth number 8. Truckers are poor. Think again. Many drivers make over $60,000 a year, and that's in states with lower wages. Trucking pays well for those willing to put in the work. So yeah, you can make a decent living driving a truck.
Myth number 9. Drivers are boozers and addicts. Not in this industry. Drivers face regular drug tests and have to keep their records squeaky clean. Safety is paramount in trucking, and that means being in top physical and mental condition. So ditch the stereotype of the drug-addled trucker. It's simply not accurate.
Myth number 10. Truckers aren't cultured. Truckers travel coast to coast, seeing sights most people only dream about. We're not just driving, we're experiencing the country. We've met people from all walks of life and heard their stories. You could say we have a unique perspective on American culture.
Myth number 11. Truckers are loners. Far from it. This is a social gig. We meet people, swap stories, and make friends wherever we go. Whether it's grabbing a cup of coffee at a truck stop or chatting on the CB radio, we're always there for each other. It's like a brotherhood and sisterhood of the open road.
Hauling freight isn't all sitting. We're loading, unloading, and staying active to get the job done. We're securing loads, inspecting equipment, and making sure everything's in tip-top shape. It's a physically demanding job that requires strength, stamina, and a whole lot of grit.
Truckers are family people, working hard to support their loved ones. We miss birthdays, holidays, and school plays, but we know our families are proud of us and the sacrifices we make. We carry pictures of our loved ones in our cabs, and we cherish every moment we get to spend with them.
Truckers are some of the most reliable, hardworking people you'll meet. We show up on time, rain or shine, and we get the job done. We're the unsung heroes of the supply chain, keeping the country moving 1 mile at a time. Bonus myth: truckers are uneducated. Well, I have to inform you that is way off base. I've known many drivers that had PhDs.
So there you have it. 14 myths about truck drivers. Busted. Next time you see a trucker, give them a wave and a thumbs up. They've earned it. These men and women work tirelessly to keep our shelves stocked and our economy running. So next time you see a big rig rolling down the highway, remember the hard work and dedication that goes into keeping America moving. Coffee up, hammer down.